Chick come close to me. She ain't going home when she supposed to pay. I'm getting money like I'm supposed to pay. I'm getting money like I'm supposed to pay. Oh, all my niggas close to me.
What is up to my curl mafia squad? It's your girl, Inhale My Curls, back in the cut with another video. Stay tuned. What's up, y'all, and welcome back to my channel. I told you guys every day this week I was going to be giving you a new upload because I have so many collaborations coming in. It's like, psh, give them a video every day. My true supporters, I know you guys are already subscribed. If you're not a true supporter, become one. Subscribe, hit that notification bell so you'll never miss another video. So jumping into this video, we are doing our collaboration with Alright guys, so we are collaborating with Lad Boutique, and this is pretty nice packaging. Alright, so let's go ahead and jump on into this. Secure the bag. Alright, so Lad Boutique sent me their yummy edges. It's cotton candy scented edge control made with jojoba oil. It's a firm hold and it's sweet and slick edges. So you guys know that I'm always laying my edges. I didn't lay them down today because I literally took a shower and my hair was cute. And then I just went to work like this. I've been trying to embrace my natural and not slick my edges back so much because you guys know our edges are super thin and brittle and you need your edges. Like, who trying to walk around all 2018 with no edges? Come on, sis. So I'm really glad that this came in after I've been a whole week without actually doing my edges. So let's see what this smells like. I smell the cotton candy. It kind of has that jam smell, you know, that jam gel or jam. Like, I'll show a picture down below on the screen, but that's what it smells like. This is what it looks like. It actually looks like the blue jam too. Alright you guys, so Lad Boutique is really known for their yummy edge controls as well as their car portable flat irons. So the flat irons you literally plug into your cigarette lighter on your car and you can be flat ironing your hair in the car. So yes, those are the two good things I know they're known for. Again, is for their edge controls and for their car flat irons. Their products are super cute. They have different sororities. So if you're an AKA, they have flat irons that says AKA with little nice gemstones and everything, or rhinestones. They got deltas. They got all of it. So they are fancy. All right, so these are my edges as of now. I have not pulled them out all week. So I just been letting my hair fly kind of down so you can't really see my edges are kind of hidden. So we are going to go in with, so before we start this video, I'm going to just let you guys know it is super important to wash your toothbrush off or wash your edge control product, whatever you use to do your edges with, whether it's an edges comb toothbrush or anything in that nature, whether you use a spoolie from your eyebrow makeup little thing, majigger. Yeah, it's super important to wash those things off because that can cause product buildup, and people like to say that their edges are flaking up due to eco or gel or any kind of edge control they're using. But you guys, it's really important that you are washing your toothbrush bristles because that is, again, the easiest way to get product buildup. It will lay your edges, but throughout the day you are going to start seeing the product flake up, and that's probably why. So now that I gave you that little quick tip information, because you probably didn't know, maybe you did, but who knows? I told you. You heard it from T. So let's go ahead and jump into it. Again, I'm going to be using Lab Boutique Yummy Edges, and so I already washed my toothbrush off. So I like to just dab my toothbrush in it, and it has like a nice little grease type feeling. It's really thick, not too much. And we're just gonna start with the hairs on the here. I like to go down, and then I like to do my middle. So let's go ahead. Ooh, I should have probably did my edges earlier. With this style, it makes it look even more fresher. Alright, you guys, so I'm gonna do another video. Where my hair is probably pulled back so you guys can see it a lot better, but this is my first impression and review on the product, and as you guys can see, them edges is laid. So far so good. I like it, and I barely used anything. You guys can see in the middle right there where I did a couple of scrapes, but this really smells like jam. But I will link down below all of Lab Boutique's information, their website, their social media, and everything else. And so I hope you guys like this video. Again, this is another collaboration. I've been getting so many back-to-back, so this is what I'm doing for you guys all week. I hope you guys are staying safe throughout this storm, and I will see you guys in my next video.
When the whip and go vroom, nigga talk down, go boom. I won't even break a sweat. I'ma just call him my goon.